What's going on, guys? New video today. The last time you saw me, we did the pulley swap on this car. I said that I was waiting for my tuner. Still haven't got any word from him. I know he's extremely busy, so we're going to do stuff without moving the car today. We're going to try to fix the fitment and the height on the front of the car. It's pretty bad. I'll show you up front. Oh, if you can see here how sunk in that wheel is. I bought these spacers, which they're 15 mil spacers, and we're gonna try to pull that out some. I hate that the front of this car is so low. It scrapes on absolutely everything. It's very annoying. So once we get these spacers on right here, I'm going to also raise the car. It's the same as the back of the car, 10 millimeter bolt up front. We're gonna jack it up some. It looks good being low, but functionality wise, it's terrible. So we're gonna get that fixed ASAP. Did you hear how terrible that car sounded? My goodness. First order of business, we have to get the car up on these wood blocks that I made. I can't get my jack, even though it's a low profile, under the side skirts. I'm pretty sure if you're watching this video, you know, but these pucks right here are an absolute lifesaver. They are for the Corvette. There's a little notch in there. You put it up and twist it and it locks in. It gives you a jacking point directly under this car. With having these, I promise you, it is the best investment. I think they're like 20 bucks, but it will save you when you jack up your car. Okay, now that the car is up, I am going to take this wheel off and we will assess what we need to do beyond that point. With the front wheel off, I always like to check and make sure that I'm having even wear. I do have to get an alignment on this car, unfortunately, because I took the front sway bar off for the intercooler piping, but it's always good to check. Now that we got the wheel off, these are the spacers. So if you notice, the inside has that little groove. That is what goes on, and the letters will be facing out. Like I said, these are 15 mil. I'm hoping it spaces it out far enough to where I'm happy. Just like that, and then you put the wheel on top of it. It should be good to go. While I'm in here, I learned that I need some new shocks. These are pretty blown out. So we'll be taking care of that. And then also, while I'm up here, I'm going to be taking this fender liner out and taking out the blow-off valve that's directly behind this. You'll see why. So right there, I don't know if you guys can see, that's a hack. That's the bolt that we have to loosen to raise the front of the car. I put Blue's painter tape over it and I mark it so I know how many rotations I have done. I just come directly from the top, put the 10 mil on there, and loosen it up. Let's raise the front of this thing. Question is for the fellas. Do you actually work on your car if you're not already bleeding and this dirty? Anyways, so I need to get a light because y'all probably can't see very well, but behind the fender liner, there's my blow-off valve. It's just right there. I'm gonna get that replaced. I'll go and show you what I got now. I am stoked on this. So boys, like I said, we got new goodies. Here is the blow-off valve. This is a Tial 50 millimeter blow-off. And I am stoked because this thing sounds insane if I can actually get it out. As you can see, Tial 50 mil. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Can't wait to get it on. This is what we are going to be replacing. There's two 10 mil bolts down there. I got to get the piping out. It's probably going to be a nightmare. But once I get it out, we'll get the other one put in. So I got the old blow-off valve, the race port, off of the pipe, and I installed the new one. I haven't tightened this down yet. I need to get that tightened down, and then we need to get a hose to fit over this to open it. Once we get this reinstalled, I'm going to go to the other side of the car, get it jacked up. We're going to put the spacer on, it's right here, and then we're going to put the wheels back on. And I'm more stoked about this than I am, you know, getting the fitment right, but it was terrible and it was way too low in the front. So I'm just glad we're getting all this taken care of at one time. Like I said, it doesn't have a tune. I wish we could go do pulls, but we can do this for now. Okay, so the blow-off valve has been reinstalled. I got the pipe put in right there. I cannot wait to hear this thing. That was kind of a pain in the butt, but it worked out for the better. So hopefully it will stay together and I won't have to redo this. Might have to weld it on there. I'm not 100% sure, but looks good. Hope it sounds good. All right, boys, let's get this wheel reinstalled with the spacer on there and see if it fixes our problem. Well, we have our first failure. I thought today was going smooth, and if you know anything about working on cars, it's never smooth. I need longer studs. The spacers don't have enough thread for my lug nut. So we're not doing spacers today, but we are going to raise the car and put the blow-off valve on. Very unfortunate. I didn't think about that when I ordered them, but now that I'm here, it makes so much sense. I think the height turned out awesome on this. I am stoked on how high it is. It doesn't look like monster truck, but it's functional. That's what I want. I tried to do some revs with it, see if you could hear the blow-off valve. I don't know how good you're going to be able to hear it. This car is extremely loud. Once I get it tuned, I will do some street pulls and you'll be able to hear it. It's going to be a night and day difference. But anyways, I appreciate every single one of you for clicking on this video and watching this video. I hope it was entertaining. That's the main purpose here. I got 3.5K subscribers in 28 days. That's amazing, dude. I cannot express my happiness and how thankful I am that you guys even click on my videos. I want to do this for you guys. I know there's a lot of questions out there because I have them, and I hope I can answer it. And if anybody has any questions about that, you can message me directly, put it in the comments. Doesn't matter. But anyways, if you liked the video, put a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys later.